Today we got a video from EWU Body Cam, and the title of the video is Woman Dies After Cops Make a Horrific Mistake.
Katrina, the call I got is you was asking people for drugs.
I could not get off of it because it wasn't able to use me. You see what I'm saying?
No, you're making no sense. Who the are you talking about?
My girl, you are dead.
On February 29, 2024, the Cott County Sheriff's Office in Tennessee responds swiftly to reports of someone attempting to obtain narcotics outside a hospital. However, not everything in this case is as it seems, and officers will laugh as they make a horrific mistake.
Walking around asking people for drugs. The call we got. Like she needs any more.
The following is based on official police records, and the footage has never been seen before until now. Please note that all persons charged with a crime are presumed innocent unless and until proven guilty in a court of law. Around 7:40 p.m. on the 29th, the Newport Medical Center calls 911 to report someone asking for narcotics in the parking lot outside of the hospital. When officers arrive, they find 40-year-old Katrina Dukes.
Can I get my number?
What number?
So I'm done. I'm done.
You what?
I'm done.
Was you in the hospital?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I?
Where's your shoes at?
Yes. Can I please go on?
Where are you trying to get to?
I'm good. Will you?
Yeah, just advised. I'm not with her.
Will you go with me
Where are you trying to go?
to this? I'm good. I'm done with it.
Katrina, the call I got is you was asking people for drugs.
No, I'm done.
Police reports allege they were called because Katrina was, quote, harassing people for narcotics, while court records state that staff reported that outside the hospital, she was asking passersby for a number to get a fix, and that she appeared to not know who she was or what was going on.
What'd they give you while you was in here?
Huh?
I said, what? How long?
I'm done.
What time did you get to the hospital?
I just now got off of it.
Earlier that day, Katrina had been taken to the hospital after asking the front desk clerk at the hotel where she lives for help. The clerk noted that Katrina had been confused, lethargic, repeating incoherent sentences, and appeared to be experiencing symptoms of a medical event.
I understand that. What time did you get here?
I just now got off of it.
But how long were you here?
Off of it, I could not get off of it because it wasn't able to use me. You see what I'm saying?
No, you're making no sense.
Look, okay, so this is where it's not able to use me. See it?
Uh-huh.
Court records state that while at the hospital, Katrina had been diagnosed with diabetes mellitus with hyperglycemia and was treated for high blood sugar before she was released. The Mayo Clinic lists the early symptoms of high blood sugar as frequent urination, increased thirst, blurred vision, and feeling weak or unusually tired. However, later signs include nausea and vomiting, shortness of breath, confusion, and loss of consciousness.
See it?
Yeah.
So I'm good, but I can't. Can I please go to the?
Katrina is holding what is believed to be her discharge paperwork from the hospital, which would have included her diabetes diagnosis. She'd been released only a few minutes before hospital staff called the police.
What are you doing? What am I doing?
You're under arrest.
Why?
Trouble in participation.
I'm done.
Done with what?
No, I just now got off.
You can't even form a complaint.
No, I'm good. I'm telling you. Can you tell me? Look, it's just now went on me.
As Katrina is being handcuffed, other officers arrive at the scene. According to police reports, she was arrested for drunkenness and public intoxication, and the officer notes that she appeared to be intoxicated on a stimulant. However, while at the hospital, Katrina had been administered a drug screening for oxycodone, amphetamines, barbiturates, opiates, benzodiazepines, cannabinoids, cocaine, methadone, phencyclidine, and alcohol, and tested negative for all substances.
Oh my God!
tested negative for all substances. So she ain't. That was the thing that I was gonna think about, because as they're arresting her and stuff like that, I'm thinking about when they said the hospital called 911 just minutes after she was been released. So how can she go from being released to all of a sudden being on this crazy amount of stuff, or being drunk, or whatever the case may be, within minutes? You know, so it wouldn't surprise me that her test results is, you know, negative, or whatever the case may be. Like, that doesn't surprise me, because if only a span of a few minutes, and I'm a guess for maybe, let's just say 5-10 minutes, you know, no more than 10 minutes. In that span, she became highly intoxicated. You know, that could just be the way she talks, or the way she is, you know what I mean? She may be slurring her words, or may be her naturally, not necessarily meaning that she's intoxicated. So that's very interesting.
I'm not old. Listen, I'm not old.
Is that the one you stopped yesterday?
No.
Who is that?
That's Katrina, dude. She's usually got meth stuffed up in her, but she's high as hell. Can't even tell me where she's at.
Who did you say that was?
Katrina, dude.
Or
I got her at Motel 6 one time. She had over an ounce of meth stuffed up in her.
Court filings indicate that on April 22, 2021, Katrina was charged with possession of meth. She was then charged with probation violation on July 31, 2023.
You couldn't even tell me what time you got here, and you got no shoes on.
This is supposed to be.
And then I've got people up at the hospital saying that you're asking them for drugs.
That is not even. See, I'm supposed to be on the.
Were you trying to go to the hospital or get out of the hospital?
This is supposed to be to it.
To what?
Look, it's not supposed to be. I'm not supposed to be going to that. Listen, would you?
When you were walking, Katrina, where were you trying to go?
Would you take me? Would you show them?
What? I can't understand what you're trying to tell me, because you can't. Do you hear what you're saying?
I'm supposed to be going to this.
You said it's across to my stuff, and that doesn't make any sense to me.
Please.
What does that mean, Katrina?
It's not supposed to be going to my person. You see what I'm saying?
What is not supposed to be going to your person?
It's supposed to be going to my person. Please. They're supposed to be going towards us.
Who was?
Us.
Who?
Us.
Me and you. That's us.
Okay.
They're supposed to be
and
going
they're supposed
where?
to be going towards us.
Who is?
They're not supposed to be going towards us.
Who the are you talking about?
They're not supposed to be going towards our. I told you. I told you. Please, let me tell you.
What are you doing?
They're supposed to be going towards us.
What are you talking about?
They're not supposed to be going towards us. Okay, they're supposed to be going towards us to go to the country.
My girl, you are
No, they're supposed to be going towards us to the country.
Get your
Will you, listen. Okay, they're supposed to be going towards us to the,
Go around towards the door, Katrina.
I'm supposed to be going all across the country. You are? Yes, they're supposed to be going on us. They're supposed to be.
Somebody open the red door.
God damn it.
Watch your mouth.
No, I can't explain it to you.
Then watch your mouth. I don't want that coming out more.
Okay, can I tell you something?
Yep.
Okay.
You can tell me what you're coming out of.
No, they're supposed to be going on us.
Okay.
They're not supposed to be going towards us.
This is the same conversation I've had for the last 10 minutes.
No, it's all right.
I guess the hospital paperwork, she just got out, I guess. I don't know what's going on. She had it with
They
her.
aren't even supposed to be going towards
Okay,
her.
so what are you going to charge her with?
PI. She's walking around asking people for drugs. All we done. Like she needs any more.
According to court records, about an hour after Katrina was transferred into the care of jail staff, her blood sugar levels were tested and came back as 360 milligrams per deciliter. A reading of 300 is considered dangerously high. Corrections officers reported that Katrina was, quote, nodding in and out and talking out of her head, not acting as she has when she has been there in the past. They decided to give her a dose of Narcan, which she resisted. The next day, on March 1st, Katrina appeared normal in the morning, but her condition deteriorated throughout the day. At 4:36 p.m., another inmate told staff that Katrina was lying on the floor of her cell. They called 911 and administered 3 more doses of Narcan before emergency responders arrived. EMS noted that Katrina was in critical condition with stroke-like symptoms. While at the hospital, she regained consciousness, but couldn't move one side of her body, and a CT scan confirmed she had experienced a stroke. She died a few days later, on March 3, 2024, at the age of 40. Katrina's mother has since filed a wrongful death lawsuit alleging that after Katrina's arrest and transportation to the Cocke County Jail, she developed serious medical needs that were neglected and from which she died without emergency treatment. The case remains ongoing. If you'd like to see select new videos early and
She gonna win that. She's gonna win that. Her mom is gonna win that for sure. Yep. Because she was experiencing something else completely different. Just because she's known in the past to be, on drugs and different things like that, just because she's known for that, that doesn't necessarily mean that she's on that right then and there. That time. And she was going through a completely different medical episode, and that would explain her kind of being delusional in and out of it. Like, yeah, she gonna lose. Yeah, the mom gonna win that one. The mom definitely gonna win that one because, I could already tell, and I hate to speak bad on law enforcement and stuff because I come from that world, but the facts are the facts, man. When you get up inside of there, man, medical needs and stuff like that, you don't want to be in jail and you need medical attention. I'm gonna just put it like that, and yeah, especially when you known for other things, they're gonna treat it as such. Like in this case, she's a known druggie, so they're gonna treat it as that and not really the other things, and yeah, it's a sad situation, man. Sad situation. But anyway, I think public intoxication. So how's that even gonna hold up? She tested negative. Like, even when they did charge her with that initially, public intoxication, but all the tests came back negative. How she was gonna beat that? Like, what you arresting her for? Like, man, that's just crazy. I can't even give a rating, because I'm not saying the cop is wrong for, arresting her for public intoxication, right? I mean, she was out of it, slurring her words, that would give an impression of somebody who is under the influence of something, right? We're not gonna sit here and pretend like that's not the case. But when they do their tests and stuff like that, she should have been let go. Honestly, she's crazy situation. Anyway, yeah, I can't even rate the officers, and I like that. This is just one of them kind of, EWU be hitting us with them documentary type series. You know what I mean? I love their videos, man. They find some great stuff. The way they do their storytelling, great work, man. They deserve every dime they get on their channel, for real, for real. But anyway, man, yeah, so you guys let me know about what you guys think about this case in the comment section below. And yeah, I'm gonna catch you in the next video.